In this section we're going to look at number formatting. So I'll just click here in cell C2. This contains a number, but at the moment if we click on the Home tab and look at the number section here, you can see here in the drop down here this is marked as general, so Excel doesn't really know that it's a type of number, it just knows it's a sort of general piece of data. So I click on the down arrow here, I've got various options. General is like non-specific format, but if I want to I could click here to format it as either number or currency or a date or a time or a percentage or a fraction or just straightforward text. So in this case I'm going to click on number and look what happens. Originally it looked like this. If I go back and redo it as numbering, you'll see instead of the 4 decimal places, you see it now has 2 decimal places. So by default within Excel, numbers will display with 2 decimal places. Obviously you can change this, but that's the default. In this case here, this has been formatted as number, so you can see it's a number, and it's displaying with 4 decimal places. Now if I want to format this with no decimal places, you see up here you've got these 2 icons which says increased decimal, or this one here which says decreased decimal. Keep your eye on this number here, it's got 4 decimal places. I'm going to click here once, it reduces it. Click again, reduces it to 2. Click again, reduces it to 1. Click again, and now we've got no decimal places. Obviously you could do this in reverse, so I click on where it says increased decimal. I click once, 2, 3, 4, and try again, 5. This one here, if I want it with 1 decimal place, just to show you, I could click, click, click. It's now got 1 decimal place. This one here currently has 4 decimal places. Click here, 1, 2. It's now displaying with 2 decimal places. If I click on this number here, it's a large number and there are no commas. If I want commas, if I go up to here where it says comma style, if I click on that, as you can see this now has commas inserted in the appropriate place, and also it's been formatted to 2 decimal places. Obviously I could click here to take that down, so I've just got the numbers, no decimal places, but it's using commas. So that's how you apply comma formatting to a number. This one here, as you can see in the text here, if I want to display this as a pound sign, or formatted with a pound sign, then if I click on this down arrow here, I can select various options here. So you can see this one here, it says English United Kingdom, it's the pound sign. Click there and we've got a pound sign. If I want a dollar sign there, I could just click here, or failing that, I could click here for dollar United States. So there we go, we've got a dollar. If you want a euro sign, click within it, click on the down arrow here and select euro. If I wanted Chinese, I could go there, but I'll click on euro here. So as you can see, that's how you format those. In here I'm going to type in today's date is, and then go over here. Now at the moment it's just using general formatting, so if I type in today's date, which is the 26th of the 7th 2018. Now obviously dates are different in different types of countries, so for instance in say Australia and the UK you tend to have the day, month, year, whereas say in the United States you'd have month, day, year. So this is slightly different obviously from country to country, but what I've done is I've just typed in today's date, which is the 26th of the 7th 2018. If I press return and then go and click within this, you'll notice it's automatically formatted this as a date format, so it now knows that is a date, not just a regular number. Incidentally, I could format this in different ways. So now that I've typed it in, I could right click on it, and then if I go to where it says format cells, over here you can see it's already decided it's a date, and down here there's a range of different formats I could use. In the location section, if I click on that, I could say English United States, click on OK, and then I get the notation displayed slightly differently.